بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Why do we learn Arabic? Well, let's look at the Quran itself. The Quran tells us many times, Allah mentions in the Quran that it is an Arabic Quran, Quranan Arabiyan. And so that is really the first reason, because Allah chose this language out of all the languages. When He says Allamahu Bayan, when He says that He taught man speech, out of all those languages and ways of speaking, Allah chose this final revelation, this gift to mankind, this forever miracle for us as guidance. He chose Quranan Arabiyan, Arabic Quran. That for me is the most compelling reason for us to start on this journey. And then He has assured us, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. So along with that, along with all the gifts and the beauty and the guidance that's in the Quran, He has also promised us that He has made it easy for us. He has already made it easy for us. And so if we just want to remember Him, remember His message, remember the guidance, we just have to try, and He has made the assurance that He's made it easy for us. So inshallah, I hope that people will feel confident and comfortable joining me on this journey.